Guys, I find a very good trading opportunity here and I would like to go for a lower option. And yes, let's wait guys. Let's wait for the closing point. And yes guys, I already placed here a lower option, but my bad guys. There is I would like to go for one trade, but for my mistake, the broker has executed two different trades. But it doesn't matter guys, I am sure that it was a very good signal, and according to my price action knowledge, I am sure that market will go down and we will win this trade. Guys, I will try to grow this account from $1,000 to $4,000 within next one day. Okay, within next couple of trading sessions I will try to grow this balance guys. And yes guys, we are at a very good trading margin, and our prediction candle get rejected from this resistance level, but it's okay guys, we will win this trade and we are at a very good position to win this trade. Only few seconds remaining, and yes guys, we win this trade. Let's wait for another good trading opportunity, and if I find any good signal, then I will place my trade. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes. Guys, do you like my videos and my trading system? If you want to make profit or money from binary options and IQ option website, you can join my live Zoom class. I organize two different Zoom class. You can either join our group Zoom training sessions, or you can join my one-on-one private coaching. Group Zoom binary option trading class will cost around $150, and one-on-one private trading session will cost around $490 one-time fee. You don't need to join in my course. You can watch all the YouTube videos I will publish every single day. You can study and practice my trading system and strategies that I will share with you on YouTube for totally free. But still, if you want to learn more about the market, if you want to become a full-time trader like me, or you are expecting to earn a full-time income from binary option trading, then you can join my live Zoom class. Now, the next question you probably have in your mind, what you will get inside? I will teach you from basic to advanced. To be honest, you will learn everything. I will teach you everything from basic to advanced. You will learn each and everything you need to know to predict each and every candlesticks. After you complete my Zoom class, you can predict the market in every minute, guys. But I'm not recommending you to predict or to take trades in each and every minute. You are going to place your trade at the best signal, at the perfect signal, and at the signal that you are 100% sure of winning. There is no strategy that guarantees you 100% winning ratio, but if you study hard, then you will understand and you will know when to trade and which signals will be perfect signal. Okay, in my live Zoom class I will talk about this kind of thing, that kind of stuff in details. Let's take one more trade by using my best binary option winning strategy, and we will talk more about our live Zoom class later on this video. Guys, I find a very good trading opportunity and I already placed here a lower option. With confirmation from market, I already placed here a lower option, and I am quite sure that guys, we will win this trade. And the market is also on our side, and it already created a bearish candle here, so there is no way that market will go up. Market will go down from this level, and we will win this trade, guys. Don't worry. But market is respecting this level here, but still guys, market will close below our prediction. And guys, yes, we already win this trade, and our trading balance grows to $1,700. And guys, let's wait for another trading opportunity, and if I find any good signal, then I will place another trade. Binary options is an amazing opportunity for people like us to make profit or money, but unfortunately 90% people lost their investment in binary option trading, where rest of the 10% people earning thousands and even millions of dollars each month. Hello guys, I'm Jony. You can call me Jony Alam. I am your host for today's IQ option tutorial video. To be honest, I am a software developer, but for the past 2 years I have been studying forex market, binary options and the indicators. In the past 2 years I spent hundreds and thousands of hours analyzing and taking trades and already gained a lot of knowledge about binary options and forex market. I am here to share my best binary option strategies and knowledge with you. Hello viewers, do you like my trading videos and strategies that I regularly share with you on my YouTube channel? If you would like to learn more binary options and forex strategies from me for totally free, then please guys subscribe to our We Pro Traders YouTube channel. Also please press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I publish a new YouTube videos. So trader, by using our best binary option winning strategy, let's take couple of more trades in iqoption.com and let's make some profit. Guys, here is a trading opportunity. Let's wait for some kind of confirmation from the market, and if I find any confirmation from the market, then I would like to go for another lower option here, because there is a chance that market will go down. Okay, let's wait for some confirmation, and after the closing of this candle we will go for trade at the next candle. Okay guys, yes, I would like to go for a lower option here guys. Yes, and we already see some kind of rejection from sellers, so it is pretty sure, I am pretty sure that market will go down. And yes guys, the market already goes down and we will win this trade. If we win this trade, I'm quite sure we will win this trade. If we win this trade, then I will close this trading session, and in the next trading session I will try to grow this account even more. Okay, oh my god, market get rejected from buyers, but don't worry guys, market will close below our prediction, and I'm sure that we will win this trade. But there is a huge rejection from buyers, and buyers are pretty interested at the rejection point, but still guys, we will win this trade. Don't worry, we trade with confirmation, so it doesn't matter, we will win this trade, and price will close below our prediction. Yes guys, we win this trade. So let's take a couple of more trades. Let's talk about what you will get inside our live Zoom class. First, we will talk about the basic of trading, how the price movement works. Even before we start to learn about the binary option strategy, we need to understand the market movement, how the market movement works, and how buyers and sellers entry will affect the price movement of the market. Don't worry guys, each of my live Zoom class will be more than 1 hour. Until we cover one particular topics, we will continue our class. So I will share each and every information I have about the market and binary options. Next, we will talk about why 90% people lose their investment in binary option trading and why most of your strategy didn't work. Then we will talk about the candlestick psychology and important candlestick patterns that will give you a lot of winning trades. Also, I will share with you a very simple and effective way to draw the support and resistance level by using the candlestick patterns. Then we will learn how you draw the strong support and resistance line and how the buyers and sellers area affects the price movement on the market. When you will learn how to draw the support and resistance level and know where the strong buyers and sellers are, then we will talk about the level trading, how you can trade on a strong SNL levels. SNL means support and resistance levels. Then you will learn how to draw the trend line and how to trade based on trend line, how to draw the Fibonacci levels, and how to trade based on trend lines and Fibonacci line. After that, we will talk about the round number trading. You will also going to learn how to filter or how to identify the tradable uptrend and tradable downtrend. Then I will teach you how to take confirmation. Whenever you get any perfect signal, you will take confirmation for more accuracy into your, for more accurate or for increasing your winning ratio. Then you are going to learn the best trading time and the best currency pairs or the best elements you can trade using my strategy. After that, we will talk about our secret and exactly to be sure, to be exact, my secret money management plan with my secret money management Excel sheet. Then you will learn when you need to stop trading and how to control your emotions. I will cover each of the topics in details, and also I will share my 3 sure shot strategies along with one particular strategies for total beginner. So that means you will get each and everything you need to learn or you need to study to be successful, even to be full-time binary option trader. So guys, don't waste any more time. Join my binary option Zoom class and let's grow together. But if you didn't want to enroll in my live Zoom class, that is also okay. If you didn't want to my step-by-step blueprint, then here is a recommendation. Please guys, subscribe to my Pro Traders YouTube channel and please press the bell icon, because each and every single day I will try to upload at least one informative binary option trading videos. So whenever I post any new videos or any binary option strategies, then make sure you don't miss any of the latest update. Trust me guys, you will get a lot of valuable information and trading strategies in the upcoming videos that I will share with you in my YouTube channel for totally free. Have a nice day guys. See you inside my Zoom class or in my next YouTube videos.